Nuclear power plant warning. Nuclear power plant warning. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Sodor Search and Rescue Center. The Lower Sodor nuclear power plant has suffered a widespread system malfunction. At this time, the power plant is on flames and is expected to melt down in approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Firefighters are currently at the scene attempting desperately to extinguish the fire. All residents in the following areas: Brendam, Upper Brendam, Sudbury, Lower Sudbury, Wellsworth, Crosby, Marin, and Cronk, are under an immediate evacuation order. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear reactions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in third-degree burns and severe organic mutations, while also causing cancer, total organ failure, and death. Radiation particles can spread to long-distance areas in approximately 1 minute after the explosion. Gather supplies of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, blankets, a first aid kit, a flashlight, documents, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Emergency shelters are being set at the Knapford and Tidmouth stations. If you are unable to evacuate, head into the nearest fallout shelter immediately. Evacuate now. You have no time to hesitate. Evacuate the Brendam and Sudbury bays immediately, or you will be putting your life at extreme risk. Do not hesitate. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. The following message is being transmitted at the request of Sodor Fallout and the Sodor Search and Rescue Center. The Lower Sodor nuclear power plant has exploded due to a fire caused by a widespread system failure, which caused a total meltdown of the reactors. All residents are advised to not leave your shelters for any reason, as the explosion has caused massive damage to the area, as well as causing widespread radiological contamination. It is recommended to stay on your shelter for at least 14 days, to avoid exposure to ionizing radiation. Those who have evacuated are also not allowed to return to the area until the all-clear is given. Please stand by. Now a message from a representative of Sodor Fallout.
Good evening, I'm Dr. Stuart Bailey. I work for the Atomic Energy Authority. I've worked for the AEE for 10 years, 3 of which I spent at AEE Winfrith near Dorset. I'm joined by my colleagues, Dr. Middleton and Dr. Dalby, both of which are my junior. At about 2:30 this afternoon, that's July 4th, the power station at Lower Brendam suffered a widespread system failure. Of 4 reactors online, only 1 is currently operating. The plant is currently running on backup power, with staff attempting to remedy the problem. The amount of radiation vented, or if radiation has been vented at all, is currently unknown. Teams from the Atomic Energy Authority have been dispatched to Lower Brendam to take radiation readings. We urge the citizens of Western Sodor to stay in their homes until the state of emergency is lifted or an order to evacuate is given. Thank you.